Welcome to this witness charting tutorial video that will show you how to create engaging chart visualizations that really help to communicate the data stored in the new data tables in Witness. We'll look at the new chart horizon demonstration model that has been built to show off the new data table and visualization capabilities and look at some of the wide range of chart displays that are now available. To conclude the tutorial, we'll illustrate the new charting pack that is in this release that lets you quickly display utilization, occupancy and throughput charts without you needing to write any additional actions or logic. New chart visualizations are possible in Witness thanks to the data table element that is now available. Data tables consist of columns of data, which may be of different types, and charts give a visual display to that data. The data tables tutorial video shows this in more detail. Data values can be seen in the statistics report that are represented on the chart. A data visualization is simply a display item of a data table element and can be accessed using the standard display bar in Witness. You can use this dialog to select the data and control how it is displayed. A charting pack of designer elements has been created which contains data tables configured to the different types of visualization that are available. Let's select the stacked bar chart designer element. We can resize the chart by holding down the control key and dragging the display handle with the mouse. We can add columns, rename them and change their type. The display update interval controls how frequently all visualizations for the table are redrawn. It can be immediate, which redraws every time any data item changes in the table, expression, which redraws at multiples of the time unit specified, or model stop, which only redraws once when the model is stopped. The display for the chart lets us select from the numeric columns, but not the string or name columns. We can select which columns to use and note the default color selection given to each column. We can select a new color from the standard color selector. Each visualization is configured by a set of display properties. They're split into general properties that apply to all chart types and custom properties that may differ for different chart types. General properties that can be set are the chart type and its title, whether each axis is displayed and has a title, and whether to display a legend for the series data displayed. Custom properties relate to each chart type. For line and area charts, you can choose whether to smooth the plot lines. The same data can be displayed as a bar chart by changing the chart type in the general properties to bar. Likewise, displaying the chart as a line is as simple as setting the chart type to line. You can customize the line chart so that instead of each line showing the actual observation measured from the axis, it is displayed as a cumulative total by stacking the lines on top of each other. And instead of straight lines joining points together, you can draw a smooth line through the points. These options are in the custom properties section as they are specific to the line chart type. An area chart fills in the gaps between the lines of a line chart. You can then run the model on with the new visualization without losing any of the data stored in your table. A data visualization is a witness display item in the same way that icons or rectangles are. This means that you can create as many displays as you want for each data table. This is a separate display from the first visualization that's driven by the same data. We can select the column we want to plot as series data, then add a title and select the category column. We'll also turn off the y-axis for this chart. When we place the display, we can see just the busy data with labelled values. The new charting pack that has been introduced in this release contains wizard-based chart designer elements to give you some easy-to-use utilization, occupancy and throughput charts linked to the basic designer element types. You can select how many elements to plot and select from a pre-built list based on your model. You can also choose how frequently to update the chart and whether to include off-shift time. Similar prompts are made for the charts based on the other types, and if no elements of a selected type exist in the model, a warning is given. When you run the model, charts for all the selected elements are updated. For more information on how to create and populate the data tables that underlie the chart visualizations, make sure you watch the data tables tutorial video.